you can allocate that in addition to that supplier payments, you can allocate supplier returns and supplier adjustment to a supplier invoice. Okay, now you can see here return, this RTN is return. These returns also, supplier returns also, you can allocate to a supplier invoice. Now you can check these reports. Supplier unallocated payment report. And if you want to allocate any payments to supplier, you can generate this report, and you can check pending unallocated or pending unallocated payments, and you can open this suppliers and you can set off that payments to a invoice. Okay, next report is that last report is email sent to suppliers. From here you can view emails sent to your suppliers. Okay, from here you can select suppliers and supplier category, and from report options, date range, you can select date range and you can view report. From here you can view that email date sent from which company or which user, and supplier you send that email, and recipient email address, type or document type, and document number. Sometimes in your system you may not be able to view this, or you may not be able to send emails because that Sage has blocked that email sending for free trial versions. Therefore sometimes you are not able to send emails from this system. Okay, now we have completed all reports. If you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, next we will move to final section of this supply module, that adjust opening balances. Go to suppliers, special, adjust opening balances. Now when we are implementing the system, we may enter that opening balance of that suppliers, and later we identify that balance is not correct. In that case we can change that opening balance for change that opening balance, either you can use that supplier adjustment, or you can use this adjust opening balances. Okay, you can select that supplier name, then you can enter why you are changing this opening balance. Now here system will display current opening balance, and if you want to change this opening balance, you can change that opening balance amount, and you can select that opening balance as that date. And if you save, that supplier's opening balance will be changed. Now here initial opening balance is 500,000. You want to change to 400,000. You can enter that 400,000 in new opening balance section, and you can save this opening balance. Okay, due to inaccuracy of that previous reports or some management decisions, you may need to change that supplier opening balances. In that case, you can use this special section and enter opening balance adjustment. You can select that supplier name and enter reason why you are changing this opening balance, and you can enter the new opening balance, and you can save this transaction. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, now we have completed the supply section or supply module. If you have any questions, you can ask, or you can refer previous videos. I think Snellmini has already shared that all videos. So you can refer, or you can watch previous videos, and if you have any doubt, or if you want to clarify anything, you can ask before the session or after the session. Okay, we will wind up for today. Now we have completed 5 sessions. We have to do 10 more sessions. That 10 session we will complete other modules, and we will complete this report designing parts also. Okay, then thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you so much, Mr. Channa.
Okay,